Praxis, and it's been a couple of days since I've done a video. I've been doing a little bit of work each day, just getting boards up on the side of this, but I haven't done videos in a lot of days because it's, nothing really new with it. But I have been able to get all the way around the back side. I've only got about a third left to do on the back side. Really easy boards over there. They're like 165 inches and just straight cuts. Nothing complicated there, but this front is a little bit more complicated. You got to go around the window, got to go around the door, and I want to do the video today to mention that this window it's a little different than the windows that are on the house. The windows on the house have kind of a drip edge where the window comes out and the boards can slide up underneath, and then the front of the window kind of drapes over the board, so you kind of get that drip edge. So if water hits the window and kind of comes down, it will go over your boards. These windows here, they don't have that. It comes out with a straight profile. So what I've been doing is I've been kind of caulking around the windows with this silicone tube, outdoor waterproof silicone sealant. So I've been doing that. You guys can tell me if you have experience with this, if you think that's a good idea or not. But I knew I needed to have something because otherwise, is that a tick? No, it's a ladybug. There's a lot of ticks out now. Because water coming down the window would definitely be, going behind these boards, and you don't want that. So I've got this. This one didn't come with a cap. Kind of make my own caps with these things by just taking the piece that I chop off the end and putting it backwards up inside there, and eventually it kind of just gets lots of rings of glue around it, and you kind of make your own cap for these, even if they don't come with a cap. And it's helpful to put the cap back on after, because then it doesn't cure as fast. I got flashing up on the top, and I'm just pumping a little bit underneath that flashing to just make sure water's not kind of backing up under there. Kind of pull it around with my finger up onto that top surface. And what I'm doing is just putting a bead down the side here. Because water could be kind of getting blown around the side of the window. And again, you just don't want it to get back behind the boards. I don't know why these windows don't have kind of like a flange or a drip edge or something like that. It seems like kind of a basic, sensible thing you'd want, but I don't know. Maybe there's other applications where you're putting up a different kind of siding and maybe you glue the siding to these windows. I don't really know what the deal is. But I'm doing the best I can with the materials I've got and the knowledge that's in my head, neither of which is copious. Alright, let's see, under here. All right, and I had the foresight to pre-install the screws inside of the board here. This is what fits around it. Got a bit of a tapered 30-degree angle up here to go around the flashing up there. And just tuck this around. I made sure this fit first. That's also very smart, to make sure that this thing fits in before you kind of get into putting the glue on and all that. All right, so there we go. I also made sure my drill was within an arm's reach. Get this up in there, holding it in. Actually, I don't have to hold it in because I was smart enough to put these in. All right, here we go. There we go, one. And two. And I'll just get the ones up at the top there. As soon as I finish this, we're going to start moving to work on the wood shed over there. And a couple projects inside the house, too, to get some of the stuff that moves. I always set up these screws so they go right into a nail head underneath. What are the chances? Apparently really good. I'm always hitting nail heads. All right. Get this one in, and now I'll kind of back this out and put in a bit of an angle. Hopefully I missed the nail head. There we go. All right. So the rest of what I'm going to do, the stuff that's kind of squeezed out, I'm going to kind of just mush it up around the sides, make sure I get a good seal there, and then go around. It's going all right. We're here at the beginning of the summer. We've got lots of summer left. And again, my goal is to finish up woodshed, a few things in the house, and solar panels. Still working on that. That's it. Thanks for watching.